That's not that late.
But, oh, they haven't seen me eat the sandwich yet. You're gonna see me eat the sandwich soon. That's the title of the video, is I ate a Subway sandwich really fast. Shout out Malad Mersion. He hit me up. Well, actually, I hit him up about problems with TikTok, and he gave me a lot of advice, and he told me, man, if TikTok's really fucking with you, go to YouTube. So he's responsible for my entire career, I would say, because if I never saw him make a Subway sandwich and say I could do that shit, I would have never done it. So shout out Malad. Malad is responsible for my whole career, right? I saw him on YouTube. I never watched TikTok before. I didn't even know he started off as a TikToker. But I saw his shorts on YouTube a lot, and I was like, dude, this Subway kid is popping off. All he's doing is making sandwiches, doing commentary. I was like, I have so much shit I could talk about within a store. Let me do some fucking videos of me stocking the shelf. Lo and behold, I'm fucking here today. So shout out Malad. He said, when I told him about that, I was like, hey man, if it wasn't for you, I would have never done it. He was like, hey, you put in the hard work. I was like, yeah, hard. Shit was fucking, shit was strenuous, making those vids. For my first like 20 viral videos, they were all the same clips over and over, just a different voiceover. And I do the voiceover in 1 second. I just do it on my phone. If it's not, it's gonna be real awkward.
What's up?
God damn.
The bodies.
How you feeling, Corbin?
Pretty tired, man.
Look at this fool. Look how he's...
What was it, like 2 a.m.? What?
You're just dressed in a guest shirt.
It's casual.
Man, Corbin's tired. No, okay, so another vlog, another cuck, right? We tried to play some darts.
Well, we were playing darts.
We got a few shots in of darts. I think Bert came the closest to winning before he broke it. What?
We're playing Rich Flex.
Oh, well, we can't even have that here, dude. Copyright. Now that we're monetized, dude.
Yeah, this censored the song title I just said.
No, that's just 2 words. You could say words. Now we're going to go to Barcade, play those games. You're going to see how much of a shooter I am. So any tubers might not want to fuck with me, dude. Anyway, you'll see us in the cage right now. Oh no! Oh, I needed that one. I gotta punch it. Oh, here we go, here we go. Give me that 200. I need this. Boom. Oh! No, 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 no. Oh, shit. There we go. Come on, bitch. You gotta... Oh my God. Oh, that's actually better. That's better. That's better. That's better. Top 10. Oh, I got it. Well, there's 2 hands for this one. Top 10. Top 10. Top 10, baby. Top 10. Here we go. Top 10, baby. Top 10, huh? Here we go, bro. Top 10, bro. I'm going with top 10. I'm telling you. Here we go. Below 5 seconds. That's top 10. Gotta be top 10.
Nah, not. 20, 29.
Wow. That's fucking bullshit. That's getting rigged. You want to do it? Hey, young Corbin's going for it now. You want to... Oh my God, haram. That shit was haram. What do you have to say?
It's not about how you start, it's how you finish.
You know,
oh, shit.
Oh, hey, damn, he did that off a whim. Come on, Corbin.
Woo! I still be below 5.
Yeah, if he did, Corbin can make a comeback. Oh, hold on.
6.5? Cut that. Don't put that in. You were dicks from the start.
It's the end of the third quarter.
14-7, start of the third. We'll see what
I
5-6 can cook.
I got this, bro.
Hey, can we get a 7?
No,
Oh,
no.
why'd you skip it?
Because we don't want to get demonetized.
You get demonetized for ass.
Yeah.
You can't show ass out here. You can't show ass. This is 2023.
Ball at the 5.
Oh, fuck, he's coming. Oh no!
Oh, he does.
Man, this guy has butterfingers. He already fumbled once.
First down.
They're playing the goal line defense. That's why.
Yeah, that's why I'm playing the goal line defense.
I know how to break that shit. We call this cheating. We see what play he's gonna run and we adjust.
Second down.
Nice catch. Oh my
Get it! Oh, pick up the boot!
Oh god.
Get that shit out of here, bro.
This is where we play smart football. Because we have a lead. Let's see what he can cook. Let's see what he can cook. Fuck him up.
You gotta get out of bounds. You gotta stop that clock, dude.
Got a minute.
First and 30.
No way.
What? Get it, you pussy!
That should have been mine.
Oh my god. Okay, yo. Okay, so I'm gonna see how long I could, or how fast I could eat this. You know, the weird thing is this is happening after the vlog you saw. But before, actually. 'Cause I'm doing this before. Anyway, I gotta eat. 3, 2, well, hold on. What song should I play? I can't play the same one I did last time. Go.
He looks like he's about to lose it.
Yeah, get him out of here.
He looked like he was about to jump on the table as soon as you picked up the sandwich.
Get him out of here. Okay.
Open it up.
Alright.
Probably tiny.
Oh, time. Alright, 3, 2, 1. That boy's sick.
Oh yeah. This ain't no regular footlong, yo. It's a footlong pro. Double the meat, double the cheese.
Taste the cheese. This may have been a mistake. There's so much pepperoni. Oh, it tastes the pepperoni. It's so greasy. I want Matt Stoney to try this shit. This shit is tough. Way harder than pizza. Oh my god. That was fun. How long was that?
Like 4 minutes and.
Dude, that was the hardest. Way harder than the fucking pizza.
Oh yeah, though.
The bread was like soggy but hard.
Same with mine.
It was like, it was just oil. Like you bite in, just a hit of oil. Like the oil they put on it and the oil from the fucking pepperoni. My heart feels like it's gonna stop. My head hurts from chewing. And the meat was so like, it didn't break apart. It stayed together. So it was like ripping it like. Do not recommend, but Matt Stoney, try that. What was this? This is the
Supreme Meats.
Try that, Matt Stoney.
Foot-long Pro.
I challenge Matt Stoney. Who else is the eating guy? Who's that girl? That hot one. What's her name? Her name is right here. I'll edit it in. This is her. I challenge her to try that because that shit. If she does that, dude, I'll fucking kiss her. Whatever. That shit is tough. Anyway, back to the vlog.
That's game.
Wow. Well, click the thing. Alright, yo. Alright, we're going home. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you get wearing the merch. Cop yourself some merch out of 506shop.com, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.